Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this delicious and quick DIY burrito. You can also call burrito with leftover or Chipotle burrito. You will know why I'm calling this Chipotle burrito in a minute once we start the recipe. But this is really quick way of making DIY burrito, so let's get started with the recipe. To make this burrito here, I'm using this brand tortilla. These are low carbs tortillas, but you can use regular or whatever your favorite tortilla is. I just prefer low carbs, so I'm using that. Then here I have is leftover. So this is Chipotle burrito ball leftover. I just have share recipe of this Chipotle burrito ball just before this recipe, so you can go back and check her recipe how to make this burrito ball in instant pot. So this is the leftover. It has got everything: corns, rice, black beans, onions, bell peppers, and all taco seasons. So I'm using this as a stuffing for our burritos. And so this is great. If you have, definitely use it. You don't have to cook anything separately, rice, beans, or chop of the any vegetables. And then here I have cheese. Again, you can use any kind of cheese you like. I'm using this Mexican blend cheese. Now I also wanted to add some crunch to this burrito. So here I have some chopped spring onion or green onion. Since we are using all cooked stuffing for this burrito, I also wanted to add some crunch. So here I have spring onion, and then here chopped lettuce. And then here I have avocado slice. Again, this is quick burrito recipe with leftovers, so I'm not adding a lot of fresh ingredient to this. And here I'm making sauce for this burrito, and here I'm taking sour cream for this sauce. This is main ingredient, and you can adjust the quantity according to your preference. I'm just making for 2 to 3 burritos. And into that, here I'm adding this hot sauce. This is chili habanero. Sorry if I'm pronouncing wrong, but I'm just gonna add a very small amount because this is super hot sauce. This is my favorite sauce. And next I'm going to add this Chipotle ranch dressing. This is going to add really nice Chipotle flavor to it. And now we are going to mix all these sauces together really nice. So after tasting it, I needed a little more spice. So here I'm adding a little bit of green sauce and pinch of salt and stir, stir, stir. Mix it all together again. And our sauce is ready. Now let's make our burrito. Just going to heat up this tortilla on my skillet for 2 seconds. Alright, so our tortilla is ready, and my first layer is going to be this mixture of rice and beans. This is my Chipotle burrito ball left over. Again, I'm gonna leave the link in description box as well if you want to check out that video. Next, I'm going to add cheese. Add as much as you like. Okay, and top of that, prepared sauce. And this sauce was really delicious. If you have never tried making this way, you should give it a try. You're gonna love it. Time to add some crunch. So first I'm adding this green onions. Then adding couple slices of avocados. And at the very top and last ingredient is our shredded lettuce. Let's fold it or roll it up. So now, since I'm using this low carb tortilla, this is really dry and hard, but if you use normal tortilla, yours should be pretty easy to fold it. Here it's ready, and I do like my burritos well done, so I'm just going to cook this or make it a little crispier from all the side if it's possible, because since I'm using this low carb, it's not gonna give me as good as the normal flour tortilla result. All right, it's golden brown and it's ready. Let's cut this burrito and let's see how does it look from inside. Let's see. Look at that. Isn't it looking so tempting? All the avocado, sauce, cheese has melted. Wow. This burrito was so delicious and really easy to make, and it was so quick since we are using almost all leftover and just a few fresh ingredients. And I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this, and if you did, give it this video a try and subscribe to my channel and share my videos. I'll see you in my next recipe. Till then, bye bye.